Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send Ton from Bybit to Telegram wallet. Alright, so your first step, open up Bybit, make sure your Telegram wallet is on standby. Once you've opened up Bybit, click on the assets at the bottom right, click on withdraw. Use the search icon at the top to search for TON, being the Ton token. Click on Ton and then provide an address. The network we're going to be working with is the Ton. You can see there's a withdrawal fee here of 0.1. So click on this, and then there's an option to add a tag, memo, or comment. That's optional. And then they are going to be requesting for a minimum withdrawal of 0.2. So make sure you have up to 0.3 for an easy withdrawal. All right, now minimize and open up your Telegram wallet. Once it's been opened, the icon at the top left, click on this hamburger icon, click on the wallets option. So click on wallet. Once the wallet has opened up, click on the add crypto option you find, click on external wallet, select Ton as the token you wish to receive, copy the address, minimize and open up Bybit, paste the address you have on Bybit, and then enter the minimum withdrawal, which is 0.2, but don't forget there's a withdrawal fee of 0.1, so you're going to be receiving 0.2 Ton. All right, so simply click on send or withdraw, and your tokens would be sent from your Bybit over to your Telegram wallet, where you simply head to the home section here and simply reload. Boom. All right, guys, comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.